We're in beautiful Kailua Kona, up right above the town, painting a tundra. We've got it outside here. Nice and dry weather. I just sprayed the first some sandable primer. Put a nice coat on. Got it here, and then I took the fenders and hood and stuff and we put it in here. Yeah, to run the compressor we had problems, so we hooked up the good old-fashioned, it comes with a generator basically, it's a welder, so we hooked up the compressor. This one was too long of a draw, so I'll have to bring mine tomorrow. Yeah, we've got this hood painted. Did the rest of the Bondo work on here. Just gonna let it dry. Got the two fenders in here. Yeah, little paint tent. Just put that first coat primer. I can see a couple spots here that we'll have to sand. Yeah, I'm just letting it dry. We'll come and hit it tomorrow. Little heads up. I'll have more pictures when we get to the next coat. Aloha. We got this